how I make sticker labels at home. Good day everyone, this is Mommy Epi again and welcome to my channel Mommy Epi Vlogs. So today I will show you how I make sticker labels at home. So without further ado, let's do this. First I will cut my needle sticker sheets. Stickers. Yeah. And for this week, so I again shared paano ko ginagawa yung mga sticker labels dito sa amin. Ayan, so I've been doing this business since 2018 doon pa sa kabilang old house. So for those who followed me for quite some time, so alam niyo po kung saan ako galing. And now, andito na kami sa new location. I'm still doing the same thing. Nagdadagdag lang po ako. And ayan siya, dito sa business na to, sa sticker labels industry, hindi mo kailangan maging sobrang skillful. Kasi ang kadalasan tanong, okay lang ba Mami Epi na hindi ako marunong mag-Photoshop or whatever? So, sa umpisa, hindi rin po ako marunong mag-Photoshop. So, yes, you can definitely start your printing business, especially the sticker labels at home, kahit hindi ka maalam sa Photoshop. So, ang ginagawa ko lang noon is Microsoft Publisher. Sa Microsoft Word pwede rin, pero madalas Microsoft Publisher yung ginagamit ko. And, pwede ka nang mag-start. Ayan. Then, one printer only. Bumili lang ako ng laminator, hindi pa ganyan. Actually, 2018 pa yan, kaya ganyan na yung itsura niya. Tinanggal ko kasi minsan nilulusutan ng mga bata. Ng mga malilit na papel sa nasusunog, kaya tinanggal ko na para kita ko. Ayun, laminator lang, then one printer, Canon pa lang yung printer ko that time. Ayun, this is very simple to do sa katulad natin, at alam ko kayang-kaya niyo rin po. So, if you need anything, pwede po kayong mag-message sa akin, mag-comment lang po kayo sa any of my videos for content suggestion, and I will do my best para magawan sila. Okay, para sa inyo. And for those who are asking what machine do I use, so I use Silhouette machines. So I specifically have Cameo 4 and Silhouette Portrait 3, yung smaller one. And in this channel, madalas sila yung i-feature ko. So you can browse on them. Basta po kung plan nyo na bumili, buy from our authorized distributor po, para sure yung warranty niya. Okay po. And then, other supplies na meron ako dito, I'll do my best to put links on it para malaman nyo kung saan ko siya nabili. And know that this channel only gives honest opinions, ano yung helpful at makakatulong sa inyo. Okay po. So, let's do this. Kaya po natin yan at kaya po nating matawid itong matinding inflation po na nangyayari sa ating bansang Pilipinas. And, yan nga. Again, this is Mami Epi, and for those who are new, welcome to my channel. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa channel na to since 2019, maraming salamat po. And now, we have 5,300 plus subscribers, at hoping na dagdagan nyo pa po ang pag-support so that makontinue ko po sa inyo yung pag-share na information. Ayan. So, syempre, kailangan ko rin magbayad ng kuryente. Diba? Yung cellphone ko, malapit na mag-retire to para naman mapalitan. Yan. I'll do my best to make more quality content for you. Lalong-lalo na sa mga nag-i-start pa lang sa sticker labels. Printing, of course, we have many tips here. Comment lang kayo kung meron pa kayong suggested content, and of course our Silhouette machines and other craft materials. I'm also welcome for collaboration, so I am a user-generated content creator, so you can message me at any of my social media channels, basta pares tayo ng goals, at honest reviews lang po yung ibibigay ko. So maybe we can collaborate, or just send me a proposal at my email, aprilangelica.bautista@gmail.com. So, let's connect po. I have my short tutorials and short vids, reels, printing and cutting, pati unboxing sa mga socials ko po. Sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa TikTok, Mami Epi at saka Mami Epi Vlogs. And of course, kindly follow those socials. Salamat po! This is Mami Epi again. And this is my channel, Mami Epi Vlogs. Goodbye!